Hey guys, I am so excited about this video because it means today is the first camping trip of the season. We are going to Jellystone Park in Burleson, Texas. I'm gonna take you along for the ride. I'm gonna show you some packing hacks that we use because camper life is space limited. So I'm gonna show you ways that I pack to save space. Oh, I just noticed my blush is on thick. Okay, so we need to tone that down a little bit. I'm gonna give you a tour of the park. We've actually been there before and there is a ton of cool activities. This is not sponsored. It's just gonna be a fun kind of come camp with us. Okay, the first packing hack I have for you is I pack all of our clothes, Steven's, mine, and Eric's, in the dirty clothes hamper, and then we'll use the hamper for our dirty clothes. The girls bring their suitcases. They have a little bit bigger bed. Their suitcase doubles as the storage in the camper. I wipe the dirty clothes hamper out before I put our clean clothes in. Hack number 2 to save on space: you're not having to take 100 different bottles with you. These are our daily medication and vitamins and all that. I have allergy medicine, so those are things I take daily, and then these are Tylenol and ibuprofen that we like to have on hand. When you're in your 30s, you need the pain medication. Things hurt at the end of a camping day, okay?
I don't wanna stay here, no.
You just sit here and be cute for a few minutes, okay?
Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground.
It takes us about 20 minutes to get the camper completely plugged in and set up. This is the first trip of the season, yay! So you are seeing it after it's been in storage for 3 months. We haven't quite yet made the beds and cleaned it up, but that's okay. We asked the kids what they wanted to name this camper, and they decided on the name Pickles because when they opened the refrigerator, this is a used camper by the way, when they opened the refrigerator they said it smelled like pickles. So I thought that was pretty cute. Anyway, this camper sleeps up to 10 people. However, it gets very cramped. The couch and the dining set both convert down into beds. Thankfully, we're only a family of 5, and this camper fits us perfectly. Another storage hack. I got these at Dollar Tree a long time ago. I don't even know if they still sell these. But any stacking bins to help take advantage of the vertical space. This is our pantry, so I put all like the little knick-knack stuff in there so it doesn't get lost or crushed.
Gotta understand that we get one chance.
All right, now for the fun part. We're hopping on the golf cart and going to take you for a tour. There are a lot of these little playscapes throughout the park where the kids can ride their bikes and play on in between activities. Right now we are leaving the basic RV sites. They have really fancy RV sites. They also have cabins you can stay in, so you don't have to have an RV to stay here. They have hotel styles. They have a pirate ship that they are now letting people stay in. You will see that later on in the video. Right now we're crossing over to the activities. Here to your left you will see kind of some ropes course where you can climb. My kids haven't been too interested in that. They're just now getting to the stage where they can enjoy some of these. I believe this is a laser tag to your left. Straight ahead is a jumpy pillow thing that's not inflated right now, but we did come back to that to jump on, and you will see that later in the video. I chose to drive around first thing in the morning so that I could avoid crowds. I didn't want to film anybody that didn't want to be filmed, so that's why we're kind of hitting these things and it doesn't seem like anybody's there. But these are kind of like the big kid games, the laser tag. They have a paintball. They also have an archery tag. All these things, I believe, are included in your stay. I think the age limit starts at 6. You'll want to check their website just to make sure I have all those details correct. You can rent these golf carts here at the park. you're going to want to check their website because they run specials frequently. Even if you're not planning on a stay, go ahead and sign up for their emails. I never pay full price when I stay here. I am always waiting for that special deal to come around, and then we usually book it. If you're not familiar with Jellystones, they are all over the United States. We've been to 3 in Texas. There's one near Houston, one in Kerrville, and one in Burleson. That's this one. It is south of Fort Worth. There's also one in New Braunfels. We haven't stayed at that one yet, but look forward to when we can do that. There are lots of cute little photo op spots. You can stop and take pictures with the characters. Grace hurt her knee yesterday on the playground. Let's show them.
You get walking?
So it's a little bruised and swollen.
You get walking?
Out of all the activities, my favorite thing to do at this park is just to hop in the golf cart and cruise around with my coffee. And the kids are always down for a ride, so that's pretty much what we do while we're here. Right now, I am driving to the other side of the park where there are a few more activities. I was really disappointed in this clip. Watching it back, it's so blurry, but to your left, you're going to see a little nature trail. Takes you back. There are different things to look for on the nature trail. They really put in a lot of effort to make it a fun and exciting experience, especially for kids. This is also a dog park to the left, and then we're coming up now onto the petting zoo, which on the way back, I'll show you, it was quite a lively crowd. The animals weren't quite out yet this morning, but they do end up letting them out on the way back. This next section we're looking at is not quite done. I was actually quite surprised because this was not here the last time we were here. But they have a lot of cool things that they are putting together over here.
You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan.
I think these are going to be like little cabins that you can stay in. And then you can have like a little covered wagon experience. And I don't know if you can see way over there. There's like a little hut.
Zoom in.
Yeah, I'm zooming in.
Don't do that.
There's like a little hut thing over there. I forget what they're called, but I know there's a name for them. Y'all can probably tell me in the comments. And then that big building over there, we think is going to be like an indoor water park. There is a water park that you can go to. It costs extra, but at a lot of Jellystones, they have like a water park feature. Some of them are big, some of them are small, but I think that's what this is gonna be. The petting zoo is lively today. We'll come back later and check this out.
Just you and I, singing from the top of a lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gotta do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
So when you come to this park, you can actually download an app and it has a schedule of all the activities. They have several different rides. Here you see the fire truck ride. They have a hey 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 ride. And they have also like a barrel train ride where little kids can get in little barrels and are pulled by a tractor, which is really fun. However, we decided that we're still social distancing, so we're not interested in joining any crowds. Inside that building there, they have arts and crafts. I believe they have tie-dye, sand art, painting ceramics. So there is so much you can do. This was our last day here, and so we are taking the cart around for a drive. I wanted to show y'all a really cool feature at this park before we go. We're also going to drive by the water park that you can pay extra to go into. The allergies were killing me at this point, so I was wearing a mask outside, in case you were wondering why I am on a golf cart wearing a mask. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this Jellystone Park is called the North Texas Jellystone Park, if you wanted to Google that online. Here is the back side of the water park. They have some awesome rides, it seems. We've actually never been to the water park. I'm not much of a water park person, and my kids are now just getting to an age where they can really enjoy these big rides. These are some of the trailers they have to pull you around the park, and I think this is what they do the Hey 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 ride on, which is basically a hay ride. They just call it Hey 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 because it's Yogi Bear. When I last looked into going to Pirates Cove, when we stayed here, I believe you get a discount. So again, check the website. That's where you'll find all the information you need for your stay. And probably one of the coolest things I find about this park is they just recently built this pirate ship, and it is actually a hotel. How fun is that to stay in a pirate ship?
Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when
If you like to camp, let me know where your favorite campground is. We are planning our summer stops. So if you own a campground, reach out to me at leaflikeonatree with an extra E at the end at gmail.com. I'd love to feature your campground on our next camping video. We will see you Monday with a new decluttering video. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. We will see you then. Bye now.